Time to sew with me. I'm Laura and I'm going to make the Cypress sweatshirt. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to print the pages that I need for this sweatshirt. Now I'm going to spend the next 15 or 20 minutes just putting this pattern together and getting all of the pages or all the pattern pieces cut out and all the fabric. It's time to start putting things together. Now first we're going to take the bodice and we're going to put the front and the back together, right sides together. We're going to clip or pin, whatever you like, at the shoulder seams and down the side seams, and then we're going to sew those together. I'm doing the cowl neck. We're going to fold that cowl piece wrong or right sides together, and then we're going to stitch down those raw edges, and then we're going to turn it right side out and kind of fold it to where the wrong sides are together, meeting those raw edges, and we're going to clip the quarter points. Next we're going to press that, but then I'm going to find the quarter points of our neckline, and then I'm going to place the right sides together so the cowl neck will go inside of the neckline, match up those quarter points, and sew it all together. Now you're going to want to be pretty careful if you're using a directional print like me. I had to actually take this apart and redo it because I totally screwed it up because it wasn't going the right direction is what I'm trying to tell you. But now we've got it all fixed and we are good to go, and we're going to move on to our sleeves. So the sleeves we're going to open up and then we're going to fold them right sides together there, and we're going to stitch along those raw edges. Next we're going to turn those right side out. We're going to pin those quarter points. Now we're going to find the quarter points of our sleeve openings so that we can place those sleeves inside so that the fabric is right side together, matching those quarter points, give it a clip, and then we're going to sew those sleeves on. All right, now we're going to check our work, make sure everything's looking good, and it is. It's time to work on the cuffs. I do this a little bit different from the tutorial, as you can see, but this makes it go super fast, and you can see I've turned it wrong side out already. Now, once we've done that, we can, again, pay attention to your directional print, but we can attach those to our sleeves. Now, I've placed 2 points, one at the seam and one right across the seam, and then I just kind of shimmy it all in there. Be aware that I use the same fabric for my cuffs as I did for my garment. Not necessarily a great thing since there's not a ton of stretch in this awesome fabric, but I was able to make it work out. All right, now that we're all done with that, it's time to take a look at our work and then hem. So we're gonna turn that hem line, that raw edge, up about 1/2 inch and give it a press. I actually went to my serger and serged the edges as well, and now I'm using a stretch stitch to hem my garment. And here's how it turned out. Have fun making your very own.